Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nur Ufiya. I'm a student of Semarang Health Polytechnic, 5th semester majoring in nutrition. On this occasion, I will discuss the myths and facts about MSG or monosodium glutamate. My talk this morning is divided into three main parts. First, namely definition and use of MSG. The second, I will discuss is about MSG myths and facts or MSG on health. Third, about the amount of good use of MSG. Have you heard that eating micin can make you stupid? Is this true? Today, I want to share with you the truth of these myths. Let's discuss the facts. Before further discussion, it is important to clarify the definition of MSG. MSG is a food additive to increase the umami or savory taste of food. Monosodium glutamate, or commonly called micin, which is a salt whose constituent molecules are sodium or natrium and glutamate. The glutamic acid in MSG is made from fermentation of molasses, sugar beets, starch, seaweed extract, and crystallization, and there is no chemical difference between glutamic acid in MSG and the natural glutamic acid in food. Why do people think MSG is dangerous? This is due to the large number of framing that micin or MSG is dangerous. One of which is because in the past there have been studies that injected high doses of MSG directly into the brains of meats. As a result, the brain cells in these meats were damaged. However, MSG added to food has very little chance of having an effect on the brain because MSG cannot cross the blood-brain barrier in larger amounts. Next, we will discuss about the myths and facts related to MSG. The first, the MSG myth makes you dizzy and nauseous. In fact, many don't know that the effects of dizziness and nausea that are felt after eating food containing MSG are known as Chinese restaurant syndrome. So, Dr. Robert Homanwood called it the collection of symptoms of nausea, dizziness, weakness, because his body is not tolerant of excessive glutamate or is called glutamate intolerant. Second, the MSG myth makes stupid. In fact, glutamic acid functions as a neurotransmitter in the brain. The role of neurotransmitter is to convey signals from nerve cells to target cells, such as muscle cells or endocrine cells or hormone glands. Thus, the notion that MSG makes you stupid has no valid evidence base. Therefore, the professional assumption seems that the MSG makes you stupid assumption was born out of excessive worry when seeing someone dizzy when consuming MSG. Is it safe to consume MSG? Amount of good use of MSG. US the Food and Drug Administration or FDA has classified MSG as a safe kitchen ingredient for consumption. According to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration or FDA, the recommended dosage of MSG is around 30 mg per body weight. The conclusion is that MSG is a kitchen ingredient that is actually safe for consumption. The study also did not find any significant harmful effects shown by consuming MSG. Meanwhile, studies showing the harmful effects of consuming MSG occur when MSG is consumed in excess, even in doses that are not normally consumed by humans. Even so, we still need to limit our recommended intake of MSG to 30 mg for body weight. Thank you. If you have any question, I will be happy to answer them. So much information that I can convey. Hopefully, it can be useful, and I apologize if there is a word wrong. Don't forget to like and comment. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.